Dear Mr. Beast, first of all, I'd like to sincerely commend you for the incredible humanitarian impact you continue to make across the world. Your recent visit to Ghana, featured on your Beast Philanthropy channel, where you rescued young Ghanaians from facing slavery, touched millions of hearts. Your passion for transforming lives through generosity and real action perfectly mirrors the values of another great philanthropist here in Ghana. He is Professor Emeritus Apostle Dr. Engineer Kwadwo Safo, the founder and the chairman of the Kantanka Automobile Company Limited. For decades, Apostle Safo has been a symbol of compassion, innovation, and African empowerment. His acts of kindness include free clothing and food distributions to widows and vulnerable communities, scholarships and vocational training for the youth, housing for the homeless, boreholes for villages, and consistent support for orphanages and social welfare centers. Like you, Professor Emeritus Apostle Dr. Engineer Kwadwo Safo believes in creating opportunities that empower people to become self-reliant. That's why I'd like to personally invite you, Mr. Beast, to consider using Kantanka vehicles for your future missions in Ghana. Kantanka is a proudly made in Ghana automobile brand designed to handle Africa's unique terrain with strength, luxury, and comfort, ensuring smooth mobility for large-scale projects and humanitarian operations like yours. Mr. Beast, imagine walking through the Kantanka Automobile Showroom right now. Ghana's pride in motion. Every model here isn't just a car. It's a statement of what Africa can build when creativity meets engineering brilliance. Let me take you through our lineup vehicles built for impact and for missions like yours. The first stop, the Kantanka K71 Pro. This is our flagship compact SUV, beautifully sculpted yet rugged at heart. It's a 1.5 turbo engine paired with a smooth CVT transmission, giving you an impressive balance of power and efficiency, producing about 156 horsepower and 230 Newton meters of torque. The K71 Pro was designed for adventure and comfort. It comes with a 360-degree panoramic camera system, ABS and electronic stability control, and also multiple terrain assist features that make it perfect for both the city and the rough rural roads where you love to reach people. Inside, it's pure comfort, premium leather seats, wireless charging, a 10.25-inch touchscreen display, and a 7-inch TFT instrument panel. You've got a 6-way electric adjustment for the driver's seat, a keyless entry system, and even follow me home headlights that guide you after dark. It's the kind of SUV that will take you from the coast of Ada to the hills of Ibri, filming safely, comfortably, and stylishly. The K71 Pro tells the world that African-made luxury can stand proudly beside any, and I repeat, any global brand. Next is the Kantanka Onant. Now, MrBeast, this one, the Onant, is for those who lead from the front. It's our luxury 2.0 turbo JDI engine SUV, coupled with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts like silk but roars like a lion when needed. It pushes 165 kilowatts of power and 385 newton meters of torque with a top speed of over 210 kilometers per hour. What makes it perfect for you and your crew is its flexibility. It comes in several driving modes, which is Eco, Sports, Normal, and Snow modes, giving you smooth control whether you are on Accra's tarmac or navigating muddy village roads during a charity trip. Step inside and you are surrounded by class, electrically adjustable leather seats, and a panoramic sunroof. It also comes with a keyless entry and a 360-degree surround view camera system for precision parking or cinematic drone style shots. It's spacious, comfortable, and powerful. A true moving studio for your global missions. Now, let's talk about a Kantanka Omama pickup truck. MrBeast, I can picture you and your team loading supplies, food, or school materials into this truck as you head to the countryside. The Omama is our hard-working beast, powered by a 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering 136 horsepower and 360 newton meters of torque. It's available in both 4x2 and 4x4 drive modes, and it comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The bed is large and sturdy, 1.5 meters long and 1.6 meters wide, perfect for carrying filming equipment, relief goods, or tools for your project. And it's not just strong, it's smart. The Omama has hill start assist, traction control, electronic stability control, and parking sensors to make every trip safe. Inside, you get a 9-inch multimedia display, Bluetooth and GPS, and 360 panoramic imaging. So even when you are in remote villages, you stay connected, you stay comfortable, and you also stay protected. This is the pickup for impact, built for heroes who work in the field. Finally, the Kantanka Orempong. Now, this MrBeast is our crown jewel, a masterpiece of innovation and toughness. The Orempong is powered by a 2.3-liter intelligent turbo diesel engine, pushing out 163 horsepower and 380 newton meters of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's not just a pickup. This vehicle is a fortress on wheels. It comes with level 2 driving assistance, which means you have features like lane departure warning, forward collision alert, active cruise control, and a 360 3D panoramic camera system. Every inch of this vehicle screams confidence. The ground clearance is over 230 millimeters, perfect for off-road conditions. It's built with 4-wheel disc brakes, hill start or hill descent control, and electronic stability programs for total safety and control. Inside, the Kantanka Orempong pampers you with heated leather seats, voice command systems, 10-inch infotainment display with Apple CarPlay, multifunctional steering, and wireless charging. It's the vehicle for visionaries, and for a man like you who moves mountains for people, it's the machine that matches your mission. MrBeast, these are my final words to you. Every Kantanka vehicle you've seen here, the K71 Pro, the Kantanka Onant 7-seater SUV, the Kantanka Omama pickup truck, and Kantanka Orempong pickup truck represents not just Ghana, but the spirit of African or Africa rising. These cars are strong enough for our roads and any road on earth, smart enough for your team, and luxurious enough to carry your message of hope wherever you go. When next you return to Ghana, don't just drive a car, drive a story, drive innovation, drive impact, drive Kantanka, Africa's own. Let's move your next mission, MrBeast, the Kantanka way. To any Ghanaian, to any African, to any world or any person around the globe watching me, this is Kantanka. It is not just any car, it is our car. If this is your very first time chancing my video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified of every upload on Kantanka vehicles, on every upload on anything technology that I would upload right here on Kwadwo Safo Studios. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for watching, for your time. Subscribe and please share this video for everyone to get hold of it. I love you. Thank you very much.